Welcome to video series 2 about the Papyrus Business Correspondence solution. In this video, we will focus on wizard design. The PDF form that we designed in the previous video can also be filled with a wizard, which can be embedded into an existing web page or run as a separate application. Entered data will automatically fill forms and additionally update your favorite CRM system. Business logic can be applied in the wizard and corresponding forms will be added or left out according to the choices made. A wizard building block can be built easily. The administrator drags form elements available in the central library and drops them into the form structure. They are automatically shown in the form preview in the Design tab. He uses an edit text element for an email field in the form. In the next step, he uses a date-time element to add a birth date field to the form. Radio buttons are used to determine the gender of a person. Once a document administrator has designed a form, it can be combined with other forms using transitions until the entire wizard process is complete. The administrator adds a first form step for personal information. In the Actions tab, corresponding variables can be defined that match the input fields. These definitions are repeated until the wizard is complete. In this example, based on the choice of the user, two different forms need to be filled. Path 1 would immediately create a case and therefore stop the wizard process earlier because the user doesn't need a credit loan. Path 2 would guide the customer through all necessary credit loan steps before creating a case and finishing the wizard. The administrator defines the condition as a natural language business rule, so both paths are connected. Our wizard is now finished. We will continue with release management and simulation in the next video.